Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Orlando Magic ang Indiana Pacers 119-115. Top performer si Paolo Banchero sa likod na kanyang 50 points, 13 rebounds, 9 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Pascal Siakam 26 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Pinataob naman ng Washington Wizards ang Atlanta Hawks 121-119. Top performer si Jordan Poole sa likod na kanyang 26 points, 1 rebound, 5 assists at 2 steals. Jalen Johnson 29 points, 12 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Panalo naman ang Boston Celtics kontra sa Milwaukee Bucks 119-108. Top performer si Jaylen Brown sa likod ng kanyang 30 points, 6 rebounds at 4 assists. Damian Lillard 33 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Panalo din ang Miami Heat kontra sa Detroit Pistons 106-98. Top performer si Jimmy Butler sa likod ng kanyang 23 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists at 4 steals. Cade Cunningham 24 points, 8 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Wagi naman ang Cleveland Cavaliers kontra sa New York Knicks 110-104. Top performer si Darius Garland sa likod ng kanyang 34 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals at 2 blocks. Jalen Bronson 21 points, 3 rebounds at 7 assists. Wagi naman sa isang overtime ang Denver Nuggets kontra sa Toronto Raptors 127-125. Top performer si Nikola Jokic sa likod ng kanyang 40 points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Scottie Barnes 21 points, 12 rebounds, 9 assists, 5 steals at 1 block. Pinataob naman ng Chicago Bulls ang Memphis Grizzlies 126-123. Top performer si Zach LaVine sa likod ng kanyang 30 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 steal. Desmond Bain 30 points, 7 rebounds at 4 assists. Wagi naman ang Houston Rockets kontra sa San Antonio Spurs 106-101. Top performer si Jalen Green sa likod ng kanyang 36 points, 1 rebound at 2 assists. Jeremy Sochan 22 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Panalo naman ang Dallas Mavericks kontra sa Utah Jazz 110-102. Top performer si Kyrie Irving sa likod ng kanyang 23 points, 6 rebounds, 9 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Colin Sexton 23 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Pinataob naman ng Phoenix Suns ang Los Angeles Lakers 109-105. Top performer si Devin Booker sa likod ng kanyang 33 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Anthony Davis 29 points, 15 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 3 blocks. Panalo naman ang Sacramento Kings kontra sa Portland Trail Blazers 111-98. Top performer si De'Aaron Fox sa likod ng kanyang 24 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. DeAndre Ayton 20 points, 11 rebounds at 1 assist. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of October 29, 2024. Cleveland Cavaliers 4 wins 0 loss. Boston Celtics 4 wins 0 loss. Orlando Magic 3 wins 1 loss. Miami Heat 2 wins 1 loss. Chicago Bulls 2 wins 2 losses. Atlanta Hawks 2 wins 2 losses. Washington Wizards 1 win 2 losses. New York Knicks 1 win 2 losses. Brooklyn Nets 1 win 2 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 1 win 2 losses. Charlotte Hornets 1 win 2 losses. Toronto Raptors 1 win 3 losses. Indiana Pacers 1 win 3 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win 3 losses. Detroit Pistons 0 win 4 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of October 29, 2024. Oklahoma City Thunder 3 wins 0 loss. Phoenix Suns 3 wins 1 loss. Los Angeles Lakers 3 wins 1 loss. Dallas Mavericks 2 wins 1 loss. Los Angeles Clippers 2 wins 1 loss. Golden State Warriors 2 wins 1 loss. New Orleans Pelicans 2 wins 1 loss. Minnesota Timberwolves 2 wins 1 loss. Houston Rockets 2 wins 2 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 2 wins 2 losses. Sacramento Kings 1 win 2 losses. San Antonio Spurs 1 win 2 losses. Denver Nuggets 1 win 2 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 1 win 3 losses. Utah Jazz 0 win 3 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 30, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Denver Nuggets at Brooklyn Nets alas 7:30 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Dallas Mavericks at Minnesota Timberwolves alas 7:30 ng umaga. Magharap naman ang Sacramento Kings at Utah Jazz alas 9 ng umaga. Magharap din ang New Orleans Pelicans at Golden State Warriors alas 10 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.